I wanted to tell you a little bit about my story, and very specifically a particular moment in time where I could see this major shift in the direction that my life went. I used to teach scuba diving. When I was studying, just before I was offered a job with a scuba diving magazine in South Africa, I was also offered a job scuba diving on a yacht in the Caribbean. Essentially, the choice became career rather than lifestyle. And I chose to take the job with the scuba diving magazine, selling advertising. Essentially, that decision to go career over lifestyle was something that I believe changed my life forever. People talk about not having regrets. I kept coming back around and thinking to myself, what would my life have been like if I had taken a different decision? I've always wanted something slightly more. I didn't necessarily want just the lifestyle, but I also didn't want just the office job. And essentially that decision has taken me more and more and more towards an office job. And I've spent a long time trying to think to myself, well, how can I draw those two in line? And at one point I started a scuba diving YouTube channel so that I could start to get back in line with what I wanted to do. But I very quickly realized that teaching scuba diving on YouTube is expensive to do and it doesn't really generate much revenue. So I continue to ask myself, how do I do this? How do you balance a career with a home lifestyle and adventure? You can't necessarily separate all of them out. You always get this idea of these converging circles and finding the sweet spot in the middle. I think that I can see a way forward, and it scares the hell out of me because I need to pull these three into focus and aim for this one sweet spot. And I know that if I can do that, then I can show other people how to do that. If I've spent my life chasing different directions, and if I can pull them into focus, then I can have that sweet spot where I have a career that I believe in and help other people to achieve what they want, as well as the adventure lifestyle that I want, as well as having a home life that is based in London where my wife works and wants to be. So I am starting to see some clarity. I am starting to see some focus and direction. And as I say, it scares the hell out of me because I have to refocus my life, deliver on the career that I have until my business can support my lifestyle as well as my home life. So that's where the adventure continues.